a passenger arrive at a specified bus stop at a random time is uniformly distributed between 7 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. Buses arrive at the stop in 15 minutes interval starting from 7 a.m. Find the probability that he waits less than 5 minutes for a bus, at least 2 minutes for a bus. In this problem, this is a uniform distribution. Uniform distribution. Therefore, first we write the probability density function related to uniform distribution. The buses passenger arrive at a specified bus stop at a random time is uniformly distributed between 7 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. 7 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. Therefore, here the probability density function will be, f of x will be 1 by b minus a. Here, b is equal to 1 by 30 minus 0. Therefore, 1 by 30, 0 less than x less than 30. So, buses arrive at the uniformly distributed between 7 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. Therefore, probability density function will be 1 by b minus a. Therefore, 1 by 30 minus 0, 1 by 30, 0 less than x less than 30. This is the probability density function. Then, the first question, less than 5 minutes for a bus. Less than, he has to wait the bus stop less than 5 minutes for a bus. Then, here, this is 0 and this is 30. 0 to 30. Less than 5 minutes for a bus, then he has to come here 10 minutes. 0 to 10. This is 50. And this is 25. If he arrive the bus stop at 10 minutes, 7:10, then he has to wait here less than 5 minutes. Therefore, in this case, probability of 10 less than x less than 50. അപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹം 7:10 ഇവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേരുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 7:15 ബസ് കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ മിനിമം 5 മിനിറ്റ് വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ഇനി അതല്ല 7:15 ബസ് പോയി എന്ന് വെച്ചു, പിന്നെ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് വരുന്ന ബസ് എത്രയാണ്? 7:30 അപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹം എപ്പോൾ എത്തിച്ചേരണം? 25 മിനിറ്റ് 7:25 എത്തിച്ചേർന്നാൽ മിനിമം ഒരു 5 മിനിറ്റ്സ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. അപ്പൊ അടുത്ത പ്രോബിലിറ്റി എന്താണ്? പ്രോബിലിറ്റി ഓഫ് 25 ലെസ് ദാൻ എക്സ് ലെസ് ദാൻ this two probability. Therefore, probability of 10 less than x less than 50. In this case, 10 to 50. Here the probability density function is 1 by 30. 1 by 30 dx. Plus here 25 to 30 probability density function is 1 by 30 dx. Then we integrate this one. Integrate. That is 1 by 30 taken outside. Then if we integrate this function, we get x 10 to 15 plus 1 by 30, 1 by x 25 to 30. That is 1 by 30 into 15 minus 10 plus 1 by 30 into 30 minus 25. That is 1 by 30 into 5 plus 1 by 30 into 5. That is equal to 5 by 30. That is equal to 1 by 6. That is 5 by 30, 1 by 6. That is 2 by 6. That is 1 by 3. Therefore, the first answer is 1 by 3. Therefore, probability of waiting less than 5 minutes, the probability is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Then we can do the second problem. The second problem, at least 12 minutes for a bus. At least 12 minutes for a bus. In this case, he has to wait here. This is 30, this is 50. Minimum 12 minutes എങ്കിലും ബസ് സ്റ്റോപ്പിൽ അത് വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് 7:15 ബസ് വരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ വരണം 3 മിനിറ്റ് വരണം. ഇനി ഈ ബസ് പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അടുത്ത ബസ് ഈ ബസ്സിന് പിടിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ വരണം, ഇവിടെ 15 3 15. അപ്പൊ 18 to 30. Then our probability will be, therefore our probability will be probability 0 less than x less than 3. The first probability. The second probability is probability of 15 less than x less than 18. Then probability of 0 less than x less than 3 endana 0 to 3 1 by 30 dx plus 15 to 18 1 by 30 dx. That is 1 by 30 into here 3 minus 0 plus 1 by 30 into 18 minus 50. 18 minus 50. That is 1 by 30 into 3 plus 1 by 30 into 18 minus 15. That is 3. That is 3 plus 3. 6 by 30. That is 1 by 5. That is 1. Therefore, probability of at least 12 minutes for a bus. Probability of at least 12 minutes for a bus. You have to wait in the bus stop at least 12 minutes for a bus. The probability will be 1 by 5.